Beautiful tree I planted about 10 years ago. Look how tall it is. It provides shade to the house. I planted it when it was just a seedling, like a few centimeters tall, a few inches tall. And in 10 years it grew that long. And then a few days ago we had some heavy wind. It was very windy. And it's a tree that has two trunks and it cracked in the middle. You can see how it cracked here all the way to the bottom. So I tried to fix it. I looked it up on YouTube and people said go ahead and put a bolt and tighten it. So I started with this bolt here just to stop any catastrophe, and then I added this bolt and then this one here and then the last one here, and I added straps, motorcycle tie down straps. You can see them, and one on the top. So the straps are not permanent. I would have to check on them once a year or twice a year, but the idea is you don't know what's going to happen with the straps, but at least the bolts, I know that those bolts are going to grow with the tree, and if the tree grows taller the bolts would come up with it. So this is my solution: 1/2-inch bolts with 2 nuts on each end and a very large washer and a regular size washer. And you can see those 2 top bolts go through both trunks. The bottom guys are just to keep the single trunk together. This was the idea of my wife Tammy. Kudos on Tammy. Project is done. Miss Lily approves. Lily, say hi. Say hi, Miss Lily. Okay, over and out. One last look at the bolts. Bolts number 4, bolts number 3, number 1, and first one, number 2. Yeah. We'll see. I'll take another video next year or next few years to keep track. I'm going to measure the heights of all those bolts and take note and see what happened next year. What a lovely tree. I love it. Hopefully it'll stay with us. Over and out. Lily, what are you doing?